Hello and welcome to Annihilation Lab. My name's Ben and I'm back after, I don't know, however long I've been off. And to get back into it, I thought I would make good on that promise that I made, well, a few months ago, where I said I would finish off Mikey by beating the hell out of it with something and burning it with something else. Probably Thermite. Definitely Thermite. I prepared Thermite. Why did I say probably? It's definitely. So, in case you haven't seen that video, I'll probably put, I will put, or future me will put, I don't know, he does what he wants, a link in the description below. I suggest you watch that. But anyway, enough about that. Here is of course Mikey, looking all a bit rusty and, well, worse for wear. I did leave him out for these past 4 months or so, so he's not looking great, but we can still have a bit of fun. So I thought, of course, as it says in the description and the title, gonna annihilate it with some Thermite that I put in this bottle, crammed in as much as I could for extra Thermite-y goodness. I'm gonna do that last now. Bear with me. First up, I'm going to let Cue Bert have a couple of cracks at it, see if he can beat the crap out of Mikey, I suppose. Here's Cue Bert. You may have seen him. He's made guest appearances in previous episodes. The big ass metal cube that I'm just going to drop right now, not on my foot. That was silly. I'm just going to lob him straight out the microwave. I mean, out Mikey. Sorry, Mikey. Didn't mean it. Didn't mean anything by it. Right, I think that's enough explaining. Do it. Right, so here we go. Cue Bert versus Mikey. Who will win? Let's find out. Oh, this is getting heavy. I'm gonna throw this. Oh, jeez. Here we go. Oh. Well, that scratched my hands up. Right, well, not an awful lot. I'd say Mikey won that one. Although it did put a hole in it and break the front off. Oh yeah. Oops, sorry. Should focus more on where the camera is. Yay, no, don't play with glass. No, bad idea. Don't play with glass. I'm a glass playing professional, so I can do this. Wow. Well, let's give him one more try. This time we're going to come straight down on the top. Boom! Right on this rusty spot. Right, now it's Cue Bert versus Mikey round 2, but first I'm going to remove the door so we can, I don't know, get a look inside as it crushes it down, if it does that. I don't know, hopefully. So first up, just going to take this off here. I should have come right off. Like so. Don't need that. Right, let's go. Oh god, it's getting white. Oh, you're fat. How did the GoPro fall off? Maybe just the shot. Right, let's move in for a closer look, shall we? Right, well, I mean, Mikey looks pretty beaten up. Ouch. Oh yeah, that was from that. But I don't know, I'll call it a draw maybe. Mikey's still kicking, but only with one leg. You know, just limping along. I think it's time to put you out your misery. It's Thermite time. Let's go. Oh, that's coming out. Sorry, Mikey. This is how it is. Now, it's time for the moment we've all been waiting for. Well, I assume that you've all been waiting for this. Thermite versus Mikey. So I'm just gonna set it down on top like that. I turned them over two ways. That's how you set. And I'm gonna place it just on top there. So hopefully we get to see it all just. Yeah. It's not flat. Who would have thought it? Okay. That'll do. You need something flattening out, just punch it. Don't punch it. Don't punch it. No. Oh crap. Damn it. Well, just in case you didn't realise, that wasn't supposed to happen. So, I'll sort this out and try again. Thermite versus Mikey round 2. As you can see, this time I threw away the bottle, or what was left of it, and just coated the top with Thermite. And let's hope that works. Yeah, okay. So here we go. See the glow on the inside there? Well, I can. I don't know if you can. Nah, it's just a little bit fiery. Let's put that out. Get you a closer look. Unfortunately, that took a bit too long. It's starting to cool down. Get off the stand. Right, well now Mikey's dead, we can, you know, finally put this to rest. Although, promised myself I wouldn't cry, but at least he died doing what he did loves best. You know, whatever, he did something, words. He died doing what he did best. Nothing, because he was broken, but entertaining us, I suppose. Anyway. From now on I plan on getting a video out every week. Hopefully nothing gets in the way of that, and none of this ridiculous 4 months of no videos. Well, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. So, thanks for watching this episode of Annihilation Lab. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.